afternoon and welcome to BBC Two, where we begin our afternoon on the seesaw with Postman Pat taking a message.
Postman Pat, postman.
This message is broadcasted by the Sudrick government. Recently, many people remember a man named Reverend Wilbert Awdry, who wrote a book series called The Railway Series, which apparently was inspired by real events taking place on the island of Sodor, and more specifically the North Western Railway. Don't believe what they're saying, the Railway Series isn't real, trains don't talk. Trains don't talk.
Postman Pat and his black and white cat.
All kinds of ships use the harbour of the big station by the sea. There are passenger ships, cargo ships, and fishing boats also come here. They load their fish on the quay. Some of it goes to shops in the town, and the rest go in special train to other places far away.
Emergency update. The Railway Series is actually real, and many volumes have been uncovered, including but not limited to the 3 railway engines, Thomas the Tank Engine, James the Red Engine, Tank Engine Thomas again, and Troublesome Engines. Also, there is this strange new television show called Thomas and Friends. It is unknown where this came from, but it is being broadcasted on television networks like ITV. Researchers are completely baffled because no records of these books existing have ever been found. That is all the information for now. Stay tuned for future updates. Emergency. The trains can talk. Recently, many accounts of the trains having oddly similar looking faces from the Railway Series books. Stay away from railways, it is unknown if the trains are hostile or not. Stay tuned for future updates. Regular broadcasting shall continue.
This is the train the railwaymen call the Flying Killer. Henry was ready at 5 o'clock. There was snow and frost. Men hustled and shouted.
We want blue stripes, we want white, we want...
Update, the trains are not hostile. Although some are a bit rude, they have no hostile intentions. Interestingly, the controls of the trains remain the same, and it is safe to be around railways once again. That is all the information for now. Stay tuned for future updates. Regular broadcasting shall continue.
The red stripes, but that's alright. As you can see, Aquafresh has all 3.